let's get ready to open it. So this is the traveling case with a nice strap. Alright, let's open it up. So this is the stand. Nothing else in the back. Put that away. Comes with a quick setup guide. It's nice and smooth, really easy to rock.
And it was like, how many inches is it? 1.7 meters.
Yeah, 1.7 meters.
66 inches.
Yeah.
Right? That's a pretty good height.
66.5 inches. So if I stand up, let's see.
So it's sort of like a clutch. Like,
yeah, it's like a notch. You use it to turn the notch and release this up.
okay, that's nice. Some of them are like a rotation. You rotate it.
Yeah, this is so much more easier. I don't have to keep screwing. This makes it so much more easier to install. And you lock it in place. Oop. So that's pretty tall. Okay, so this stand is really durable and it was really easy to set up. And let's see, the feet are rubber, so it won't move around. The other thing is that it's light as well, but at the same time it's sturdy, so you won't get blown off in the wind. The good thing about this is it has a couple of features. One being the easiness to lengthen the legs. You don't have to rotate, turn knobs. And another good feature about this is it can also be used as a monopod. So you can take it out of its stand and you can just hold it as a camera by itself. And if you want to like hold a selfie or like do an extended clip, you want to reach over or something, it's really handy. So if with this extension you can actually get a bigger height adjustment, and this is like good for if you're doing like a sporting event and you're like standing around crowds of people, you can get a better height with this.
So there's a like that circle thing that you set it up for the height, right?
Yeah, so it's like a tightness for the adjustment.
Okay.
So you can tighten to how much height you want in this.
So this is good for like big events and parties.
Parties, birthdays.
Outdoors.
Anything you want to do.
Okay.
That's pretty much it. It's really nice.
It's not too heavy as I thought it would be.
The box was heavy, but when you actually take it out of the box, it's individually light. It's easy to maneuver. There's also a small kind of centering dot here, so you know if the stand is centered and it's not tilted. So that's like the small bullseye dot right there. So that's like a bubble in there. So if you tilt it,
let me focus. Yeah, I can see it now.
so there. So once it's in the center, then you know, okay, the camera's.
Oh, so the bubble kind of tilts.
Yeah.
This way, that way.
That's right.
But
so
if
when
it's
you're
center, it means that it's straight.
You're leveled. Camera's leveled.
That's a very neat.
Yeah.
We didn't even look at that when we were buying it.
So you know if one of your legs is maybe not sitting straight, you know that okay, I need to make sure that leg is centered.
This is definitely good for like a couple of noobs like us.
Yeah.
You know, who don't know anything.
I really love this monopod thing because you can take it on the go. You're not stationed on this one tripod. You're like, oh, I need to get to the event there, so let me take this, walk around. Okay.
Do you want to like try this new camera on it? Because right now I'm holding this new Canon M50 camera in my hand, and let me make a video of you putting the camera on, mounting it on.
So yeah.
But that one I would have to shoot it on my iPhone.
That's alright. Okay, so this is where the mounting plate sits, and if you want to do like a cooking video, you can. It does tilt. Cooking video. So it does tilt 90 degrees. So, but you probably only want to that much, where the camera will face down onto what you're doing. That's handy. And there's also another bubble marker, so you know the leveling of the plate when it's centered and leveled. There was also a pouch in the inside of the bag. It comes with a vertical tilt adjustment tool, but you can also use it for holding on to the camera. I believe it goes in here. If you want to like hold onto it and steer the camera.
Right. Okay.
Okay, so yeah. Connect to control the camera. And it also comes with 2 Allen keys as well for any other adjustments.
Fingers.
Oh yeah, so there's a couple of screws on these, on the legs, on the hinges. If you want to tighten or loosen them, do that. But it looks okay. I wouldn't make any adjustments.
Alright, get ready to put this camera on there.
Yeah, so we're going to mount the camera on and go from there. So to take out the mounting plate, you want to turn the knob and the plate comes out easily. So there's the screw, and you want to attach it to the camera at the bottom. So there, the screw should fit in there. I got it. There you go.
Yeah, tight.
Yep, that's tight. Alright. And you want to carefully take the camera, and you should be able to feed it into the notch right there and tighten the back.
Like a sliding thing, you slid the camera in. Okay. And then this is the tightening notch so that the camera doesn't move.
Doesn't slide out. There you go. So I could change the orientation of the camera when it's sitting on the plate to face that way, so I'm standing straight looking at it. That's a possibility. But it's up to you how you want to mount the camera on the plate. So with this, you get the option to adjust tilt this way because of this, And you also get the option to tilt with this and lock it in place.
And if you tighten this, then it doesn't tilt, right?
Yeah, so if you turn it to the right and tighten, then you can't
Move it.
tilt
But
it.
if you loosen it up, then
If you loosen it up, you can tilt it easily. So you can do like a sideways shot, something. Yeah.
that's pretty neat.
And tighten in place. Yeah, so if you want to keep that in place for a cooking video, you can definitely keep it like that. That's really handy if you're doing arts and crafts as well. Okay, so now shooting a picture or video is such a breeze and so easy to do it. Easy. Focus.